Why is learning important? Learning is important for internal audiences, funders, and stakeholders for several reasons. First, it enhances performance. Learning helps to improve their performance by acquiring new knowledge, skills, abilities, and to stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. Secondly, it leads to innovation and adaptability. Learning fosters innovation, adaptability, and encourages them to think critically, explore new ideas, and embrace change to thrive in a rapidly changing environment. It also increases stakeholder engagement. It enables internal audiences, funders, and stakeholders to understand the needs, expectations, and perspectives of different stakeholders and adapt their communication and engagement strategies accordingly. Learning brings organizational resilience. It contributes to organizational resilience with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate challenges and uncertainties. It promotes accountability and transparency. It enables them to continuously monitor, evaluate, and improve their performance and demonstrate their value and impact to others. It helps in long-term sustainability. It helps to stay relevant, adaptable, and agile in dynamic environments to sustain their performance and impact over time. We can take the following measures to effectively utilize the monitoring findings. Firstly, it can be used to evaluate the performance of programs, projects, or initiatives. Secondly, it can serve as a basis for evidence-based decision-making by providing data, information, and insights that inform decision-makers about the progress, achievements, and challenges of a program or project. Thirdly, it can be used to report on the progress and results of a program to various stakeholders, such as funders, donors, and other relevant parties. Then, the findings can be used as a learning tool for continuous improvement. It can also be used to assess whether a program or project is meeting its intended goals and targets, and whether resources are being used effectively and efficiently. It can provide feedback to stakeholders, including beneficiaries, staff, and partners, on the progress and results of a program or project. Finally, it can support adaptive management, where organizations can use the findings to make adjustments and modifications to their programs in real time. Utilizing evaluation findings is essential to ensure that the evaluation efforts are meaningful and have an impact on decision-making. Following are some ways to utilize evaluation findings. Fundamentally, policy evaluation supports effective public administration. It can assist governments in bettering the formulation and implementation of public policies, which can then result in economic growth and improved welfare. Through better decision-making, policy evaluation helps to foster public accountability, learning, and higher effectiveness in the public sector. If the program is successful, the findings can be used to identify the best practices and strategies that can be replicated in other settings. This can help to scale up the program and achieve a greater impact. We can use the findings from monitoring and evaluation of the program to identify stakeholder information needs, which involves identifying what information is relevant and meaningful to different stakeholders based on their interests, roles, and expectations. Number 2, tailor communication channels and formats. Utilize communication channels and formats that are most appropriate for the stakeholders, which can include reports, newsletters, websites, etc. Use clear and accessible language. Avoid technical jargon or complex language, and use a language that is accessible and easily understood by stakeholders. Provide timely and relevant information. Share information when it is most needed and ensure that it is accurate, up-to-date, and aligned with the stakeholders' interests and concerns. Foster two-way communication. Encouraging such communication with stakeholders to facilitate dialogue, feedback, and exchange of ideas can be very helpful. Contextualize information. This involves providing information in the context that is meaningful to stakeholders and relates the information to the specific objective, goals, and outcomes of the program. Ensuring confidentiality and privacy of the concerns of stakeholders, especially when dealing with sensitive information, is crucial to the process.